What's up? We're back at some more level crossing spawn. So here we are, Merllyn level crossing in Gwynedd. So it's starting now. This is a one-way level crossing. We are in Gwynedd now. Information level crossing network rail. Oh, you can hear horning the train. It'll take time, you have to wait. We're gonna wait. Look, pad lights is when they go backwards. Yeah. Oh, here comes the train. So it's raising now. So it's finished. Hope you enjoy level crossing in Merllyn, level crossing in Gwynedd. Like and subscribe.